In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw patterns in TradingView. Drawing patterns on your charts is a simple but powerful way to highlight important price zones, such as support and resistance areas or consolidation ranges. I'll walk you through it step by step, using a rectangle as an example. You can follow along on your own chart as we go. First, make sure you're logged into TradingView and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters here is learning how to use the drawing tools. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This is where all your drawing tools live. Look for the icon dedicated to patterns. Depending on your layout or theme, it may look like a group of geometric shapes or pattern lines. Hover over the icons slowly until you find the one labeled for patterns. Once you've located the patterns icon, click on it to open the full menu. This will show you a list of different pattern tools you can use on your chart. TradingView offers several options here, but for now, just focus on understanding how to choose one and apply it. When you open this menu, take a quick moment to notice the variety of choices available. Getting familiar with where everything is will make your workflow faster later on. For this example, we're going to create a simple rectangle. Rectangles are ideal for marking out ranges, zones of interest, or areas where price is moving sideways. From the list of pattern tools, select the rectangle option. After you click it, your cursor will change, indicating that the rectangle tool is now active and ready to use on the chart. Now it's time to draw. Move your cursor to the first corner of the area you want to highlight. This might be the lower boundary of a consolidation zone, for example. Click once to anchor the first point of your rectangle, then move to the next corner and click again. Continue clicking on each side or point around the area you want to cover. As you click, TradingView will automatically stretch and shape the rectangle based on those points. Once the rectangle is in place, you can adjust it by clicking and dragging the edges or corners. This lets you fine-tune the zone so it lines up exactly with the price levels you care about. You can also right-click the rectangle to access its settings, where you can change the color, border, or transparency to match your chart style. That's all there is to it. By using the patterns icon, selecting a pattern type, and clicking around your zone of interest, you can quickly draw clear visual patterns